Congratulations. This was actually quite a lot. So you really made your first big steps into the R programming world. Congratulations. I guess this was really a lot of content being covered today. Just to recap, we actually started, you might not even remember that, but we really started by checking out the main elements of the RStudio interface. Then we learned about how to issue commands to the computer using R as a conventional calculator. We then covered a little bit of theory, learning that everything in R that exists is an object and everything that happens is a function call, and how this bit of theory actually helps you to rationalize how R actually works, how you get errors, etc., etc. And then we actually covered a topic of tremendous importance, namely the idea of how we can associate objects with names. So there are objects in the computer somewhere stored on the hard drive. We might want to restore these objects for further process. So what we need to do is we need to assign a name to these objects so that we can actually call these objects by their name and retrieve them from our hard drive. Then finally, we learned how to call functions that are already defined in R or that have been written by others and provided to us by our packages. And then in the end, we actually learned how to define our own functions, how to use them, how to document them. This was really a lot. So my suggestion is really take your time, digest what you've learned, repeat these topics, even if it sometimes sounds a little bit too easy. Maybe make use from the data science exercise package that I've written that is actually meant as a recap. So where you get some automatic feedback on the code that you've written. Because I really feel that understanding these fundamentals is absolutely key if you later want to understand and grasp more complex procedures in R.